Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to convert BGB to USDT on Bitget. Alright, so first stop, log into your account at bitget.com. And then once you're in here, hover your mouse at the top, go ahead over to trade. And then what you're going to do is just select convert and block trade. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, what do you need to convert from? Of course, BGB. Click on BGB now to, or convert it to USDT. So click on drop down, type down USDT, click on it, and how much BGB would you like to convert to USDT? Okay, you'll be able to see your balance in here. For example, you wanted to convert 10 BGB, just tap away and you will receive this amount of USDT. Now, if you're happy with it, well, just go ahead and click on convert, follow simple prompts, and once done, go ahead and check your assets, and you should be able to see that the USDT amount is being added. Okay, that's basically it. That is how easy it is to convert BGB to USDT on Bitget. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.